Here we are. I got my new Böker anti-MC Böker Plus ceramic bladed pocket knife, which is very, very sharp. The blade is beautiful. It does have a mirror polish on it. There's claims that it's anti-magnetic, that it's made from titanium. Titanium is not magnetic as far as I know, and ceramic is not magnetic unless it's got iron in it, unless it's a ceramic magnet, of course, which this is not. You see it's got a very nice shine to it, and the edge is very, very clean. When I took it out of the box, it looked like it had a gouge in this thumb stud, and well, I don't think that it does, because I cleaned it. It looked like it might have been the adhesive to whatever is the end cap to the stud, because I'm assuming that the stud is screwed through the blade, and that the caps of each are like beauty caps. But anyway, I cleaned it up and it's not marred. It actually is perfectly applied. I thought it was messed up when I first opened it, but it's not. And I lubricated the blade a little bit with some machine oil from electric clippers, light machine oil, and it pops open pretty good on its own. The closing function of it, it's a little bit toothy, but that's good. Make sure when you close this one-handed that you get your thumb out of the way first, obviously. So let's see here. We got an arm. Let's see if we can get some arm hair off of there without looking too inexperienced at doing this. There we go. It will definitely shave your arm, which means that it would probably shave a chicken if it had to. Or any other soft thing you cared to put under the blade. And the other part of the show is the magnetic blade. It's anti-MC. Somebody was saying that it was anti-MC. That meant anti-magnetic, but and somebody else thought it might mean anti-microchip, as in microchips along the edge of the blade. I don't know if either is correct. And here we have the blade, and we have neodymium magnets. We have a little neodymium disc that is magnetic. Let's see here. These clippers are magnetic, so there you go, that's magnetic. You can see that nothing here is magnetic so far, it's not sticking or anything. So we have a magnetic clip that is magnetic, a magnetic screw which is magnetic. I was hoping that this was not magnetic, but it is. The little ones are also magnetic. And so the thumb stud is magnetic as well. So obviously the blade is not magnetic because it's a ceramic blade. Duh. But, and the casing itself is not magnetic. because it's titanium. But seems we have some magnetic fasteners in there. My question is, what type of steel are they, and are they corrosion proof? Because the titanium's corrosion proof, the ceramic's corrosion proof. All in all, it seems like it would be a good knife for in the salt water, but the fasteners leave that question unanswered at best. There you go.